Welcome back, programmers. In this part of the episode, we are going to learn to use the pubspec.yaml file to add an asset image to our application. Remember when I talked about the project structure? I told you that the pubspec file will be used to declare dependencies and assets to be used in our Flutter application. Let's see that in action. We are going to replace the network image used in the previous episode with an asset image. I will leave the link to download the image in the description. We are going to use this tortoise image in our application. Now coming to the pubspec file, Flutter developers have left a lot of comments here which tell you what things go in which part of the document. You can keep those comments for your reference or remove them to make the document look cleaner. I would recommend to leave the comments if you are a beginner. Now to add an image to our Flutter application, let's head over to our project. This is our root directory. Right click on the root directory, go to new and select directory. I will name this images or whatever you would like to name it and press enter. Now we can see that we have a new directory images created in our project. Next, we are going to move our asset image from this folder to our new directory. I am going to select this image and drag it to the images directory over here. In the pop-up, you can rename the image in the dialog box or just click on refactor if you are happy with the name. And I have imported our image. We cannot use the image in our application just yet. We need to define it in the pubspec file. So coming back to our pubspec file, we will scroll down till here. In the comments, you can see that it says to add assets to your application, add an asset section like this. Select this asset section where you can also see they have an example to add images. Then press Ctrl+/ on Windows or Command+/ on Mac, which will uncomment the block of code. The indentation of code in pubspec is very important. As you can see that uses material design and the asset tag have a difference of one space between them. So I will have to move the asset block left by one space like this. Pubspec files follow two space indentations. Now I will replace these examples with our actual image. So I don't need this one over here. We just have one image over here. We'll go to project, images. I have this image over here, asset image1.jpg. I will remove this one. Now my folder name is images and my asset name is asset image1.jpg. After I declare the asset in my pubspec file, I will have to run the pubget command. Once pubget finishes successfully, we can now use our asset image in our Flutter application. This is our current widget tree. What we are going to do is remove the network image widget and replace it with the asset image. Similarly, in the code, we will replace the network image with the asset image widget. When we come back to main.dart, we have the network image over here. We just replace it with asset image and specify the asset name. Like we have images slash asset image1.jpg, and I will restart this application. And now we can see our asset image on our app. Now what if you had like 20 to 50 images? Would you declare all the images in this way? No, that sounds like a lot of work. So for that purpose, what you can do is just declare the folder which contains your assets along with a /, which means all the assets within the images folder. So I will run pubget again. Okay, it finished with exit code 0. Coming back to our main.dart, sometimes it will say that the PubSpec has been edited, so you just have to click on get dependencies. Once that completes, it will either go away on its own or you just click the ignore button. And now I will restart the application again. And I should now see the same output because the asset image 1 was in the images folder and we are not changing the image that we are using, so I will not expect anything different from the previous output. But hey, it works, so you can just define the folder within the PubSpec file and use all the images contained within it in your Flutter application. We successfully added an asset image to our application. Did you know that YAML stands for YAML Int Markup Language? Anyways, thanks for watching and keep coding.